Brandon is taking the railings back to the little porch to put those on. We got the floor done. Boy's got the last row of the gable, the first row of the gable end installed, the angled log where the roof gable starts. Out here, they're putting the gable ends together. Now, Meadowlark Log Homes features a full log gable. We don't do frame gables, we do a log gable end. They're all put together, assembled on the ground with the screws, pins, glue, and so they're all put together here, lifted in one piece. This is the afternoon of day 3, and it's raining all day long. There's a glue gun. Well, took it somewhere else. Here they're putting the logs together. There, that's the glue gun. Let's watch him put some glue on there. Pretty slick. It's a battery glue gun. Now we'll put that in place. Gasket, glue. We got all drenched this morning, had to change our clothes. Didn't bring enough rain gear. We thought it was gonna be nice. So here we set that log in place. It's much easier doing it on the ground than it is up top on the roof. That notch you see, those notches are where the log purlins, the roof beams go in, which hopefully will be happening later today. I'll go around the backside where Brandon is carrying the railings over to the porch. We're going to install those railings, and I'll get a picture of them in a little later video here as when they're done. So we're going to put all the pieces of the railings together. They're all wrapped in plastic, protect them from dirt and weather until we get them installed. And then we put all these pieces together. Posts, they're all hand peeled and drilled posts with holes, and then these railing pieces for the porch railing. So we're starting to put those together. See you soon.